Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on Depositphotos. Now Depositphotos is an AI image generator that allows you to make your own image with the Depositphotos AI text to image generator. Now you just simply describe the image you want to create, the aspect ratio, the style, and click on generate, and it's done. So you can get inspired by images you can create. They have a lot of images. Don't forget to write a clear descriptive prompt. So these are images. Their descriptions that were created using Depositphotos AI. So you can access the AI image generator of any Depositphotos plan. You get unique high quality images, commercial safety, creative ecosystem to push your creativity. It has unique and secure images for your projects. So you can also learn more about AI generator creativity by checking out these resources. So much more you can get using it. So what are you waiting for? They are for images, for videos, for tutorials, for music and SFX, tools, AI generator, creative suite API, enterprise, live chat, pricing, and so much more. So if you're ready to know more, go to the site Depositphotos.com and you will get to know as much as you want and get started.